The 10 anti-aging tips in order. Wear sunscreen every day. UV radiation causes 80–90% of visible skin aging by damaging collagen and elastin, DNA, and triggering inflammation and pigmentation. This leads to dullness, texture changes, fine lines, wrinkles, laxity, and irregular dark spots. Even incidental exposure, driving, walking to the car, adds up. Daily broad-spectrum SPF 30+ use can prevent further damage and even reverse some signs over time, supported by studies showing improvements in clarity and texture after consistent use. Make it a non-negotiable morning habit. Reapply when outdoors. Dr. Ellis references the famous truck driver photo showing dramatic one-sided UV damage. Sun protection beyond sunscreen. Sunscreen alone isn't enough. Layer multiple defenses. Adopt Australia's slip, slop, slap, seek, slide approach. Protective clothing, sunscreen, wide-brimmed hat, shade-seeking, and sunglasses. This comprehensive strategy significantly reduces cumulative UV exposure for better long-term skin health. Incorporate a topical retinoids, OTC retinol, retinaldehyde, or prescription tretinoin and tazarotene are a powerhouse. They boost collagen production, reduce its breakdown, accelerate cell turnover, fade pigmentation, and improve texture and firmness. Results include fewer wrinkles, brighter glow, and stronger skin. Use on face, neck, chest, hands, and body, especially for crepey skin on arms and legs, which worsens post-menopause due to estrogen loss. Start slowly to minimize irritation. Dr. Ellis says she can often tell when patients use them consistently by their skin's vibrancy. She mentions her own Naturium skin-renewing retinol body lotion as an example. Consider in-office treatments. Home care has limits. Professional procedures deliver stronger results when needed. Options include injectables, Botox for dynamic lines, fillers for volume, surgery, facelifts, eyelid lifts, fat grafting, and resurfacing, lasers, radiofrequency microneedling, chemical peels. Aging happens across layers, skin, muscle, fat, bone, so a tailored multimodal approach prevents unnatural results. Dr. Ellis recommends periodic small interventions with a trusted provider, rather than dramatic overhauls. She personally uses Botox a few times a year for forehead, brow, and eye lines, plus occasional light laser resurfacing. Be mindful of repeated facial movements habits like frowning, brow lines, squinting, crow's feet, using straws, lip lines, constant phone looking, tech neck, or side sleeping create and deepen wrinkles over time. Awareness helps reduce them. For stubborn habits, Botox can interrupt the cycle without freezing expression. Intervene on hair loss sooner rather than later. Thick, healthy, pigmented hair frames the face and instantly signals youth. Thinning or graying can age appearance noticeably. Address genetic or pattern hair loss early with consistent treatments like minoxidil, Rogaine, as maintenance is usually required for ongoing results. Prioritize quality sleep, skin repairs, and regenerates during deep sleep. Chronic poor sleep weakens the barrier, increases inflammation, and accelerates visible aging, dullness, puffiness, lines. Aim for consistent restorative sleep. Dr. Ellis acknowledges this is harder as a new mom but still stresses its importance. Eat for skin health. Focus on an antioxidant-rich, anti-inflammatory diet with plenty of colorful fruits, on vegetables, healthy fats, and proteins. Excessive sugar and processed foods can promote glycation, which damages collagen. Overall healthy eating supports glowing skin as a byproduct of internal wellness. Avoid or limit smoking and alcohol. Smoking destroys collagen and elastin, leading to deep wrinkles and sagging. Alcohol dehydrates skin and fuels inflammation. Quitting smoking or moderating alcohol yields noticeable improvements in skin quality and aging pace. Consider compression socks for legs. For those who stand a lot or have risk factors for varicose, chalked spider veins, or leg swelling, daily compression socks improve circulation, reduce fatigue, puffiness, and prevent visible veins. This keeps legs looking smoother and more youthful, extending anti-aging care beyond the face.